microphone. I think it's... Ooh, look at these fancy bags. All right, welcome to the Manfrotto tripod unboxing.
Yeah.
This is some of our behind-the-scenes unboxing.
Yes.
This isn't count for a day.
We're checking out the Be-Free Manfrotto tripod.
Super compact.
Super compact.
Oh, wow. This stuff is like...
It's been well protected.
Well protected and packed. So I'm gonna
Should be able to
expand this a little bit so that it comes off of the...
I have one of these at my house. Well, I don't know if it's Manfrotto, but it's very similar. I bought one of these.
Loosen this.
Nope. So let me show you how this works.
Oh, do you like spin it?
So this actually they go this way.
Oh.
It's like a transformer, more than meets the eye.
Yeah.
And so now you can lock into your different positions.
Awesome.
And then you've got your little tripod head. We'll have to learn how to use these because they're a little different, but that's super cool.
Awesome.
So like this will go, I don't know. We'll play with it because it was like this. And then you can change your pitch and your...
Oh, super cool.
Yep. And then there should be a level, there's a level bubble right there. And then you just tighten this up. Tighten everything up, which I don't remember how to do everything yet. And then there you go. You can extend all the legs and they'll extend
pretty far.
A long ways. But what's cool is
and then you can extend.
You can also extend the middle as well. Perfect. Super excited about this because they're light, they're small, they're still well made. So yeah, there's an unboxing of the Manfrotto tripods, and there should be a...
There's some...
Oh, there's the plate. That's what we're looking for. I was a little worried we didn't have a plate, and that was a little concerning, but we have it. Cute little bag, Manfrotto Be-Free. And it's going to free our hands up quite a bit when we're traveling around.
Yeah, now we have a little travel case.
That's right.
Has never been seen before.
Never been seen before. Stay tuned. There will be more unboxing days headed your way.